Hey everybody, I want to show you how this T-Mobile phone connects directly, automatically, without password or anything like that, to my hotspot. You can see I have it off. So I have the Wi-Fi off. Got my hotspot up there. That's my Helium Mobile Hotspot. I got it pointing out the window here at my shop. And I notice it connected to it. So you can see here, I turned it off. So I'm just going to turn it on. Oh, I got a glare there. Eesh, what a terrible glare. Maybe if I do that. A little better. There you go. So you can see how it connected automatically. Gives that privacy warning, but there's a setting there you could change it. So I didn't put a password, and you can see here, when you come here, exclude that password, you got auto join, but there's no forget, there's no forget this Wi-Fi. So let's go so you can see what I mean. If I go to my store, I don't know if I got that right. Right, so I'm going to connect to my store Wi-Fi. Right. I mean, you can actually see down there it says Helium T-Mobile. So, here when I go to the information, remember you got auto join and you got a password there. You got all these other things, same thing, right? Right. So I could forget this network. I could say not auto join, but there's a password. So let's forget the network. So it's not going to connect there automatically anymore. And then I'm back to the Helium. If you go here, you see it has auto join, which is default, but you can't really forget it. It just connects automatically. This message here, it says if you turn this off, let's try it. It says if you turn off, let's see what it says. Rotate. What is? So, I mean, you could get rid of it. Let me see what it says here. This network is in private. To use private Wi-Fi address, enable. Rotated below, but I don't see it. Oh, here, private Wi-Fi address, yeah. So let's see. If you rotate it, it's going to interrupt my connection. And let's see if it goes. Okay, so it goes away. That's just a little security feature there. So it doesn't show. Let's see. Yeah, so it doesn't give that message. So you can see it automatically connected. Now this is on T-Mobile. You could see it right there. I'm going to show you in the settings too. I'm going to move it away because I don't want to. This is not my phone. So let me go to cellular, right? So we're on cell. I have the cellular data off, and you can see there it's on T-Mobile. So T-Mobile phone with the cellular data off, or with the cellular data on, it could go either way. It's going to automatically connect to my hotspot and download and use that for data if it's within my range. And you could see, let me go to YouTube. And you can see YouTube is on there. Let me turn off the cellular data. Where's my... Right, so I'm going to turn off cellular data, right? Now in this case, I don't know what it's doing. Is it, if I turn off cellular data, is it still going to count the data from my hotspot? I do not know. So you can see I have my cellular data off. YouTube is working. And let me go back. The Wi-Fi, T-Mobile on Helium. So what am I showing you here? What I'm showing you here is that that's one of the ways also that you get paid. If someone in my area, it's like a little shopping center, but it's a tiny shopping center. I wish it was a big one. So somebody here in my area within, I don't know how many yards this thing goes out, or even in the street across, if they're stuck in traffic or something like that, or in their car, if they're on T-Mobile, it's going to connect to my box and use that for data transfer. And then apparently, T-Mobile's paying them to offload data that reduces their load on their networks. So that's happening automatically. This is the second time I see this. I didn't record the first time. I had noticed when I went to the Wi-Fi that it said Helium, and I didn't do it. I didn't connect it myself. So it's connecting automatically. Ideally, it would be nice if once they have these available for AT&T, and actually just AT&T and T-Mobile right there, that's, I don't know, probably half of the market. And T-Mobile's a good size of the market. I think AT&T still is bigger than them. But a way to make money, anybody in your area. Now, if you can get one of these boxes into a congested area like a gym, I would probably say, a mall, food court, something like that, or any area that has like doctor's offices with a big waiting room, a DMV office, anything like that where you got 100 people sitting there, and at least, I don't know, probably 30% of them are going to be on T-Mobile, and they're connecting to your box and downloading data off of there. You'd be doing pretty good. So my box, even it doesn't transfer a lot of data, but just it's pretty basic. I'm in a very small shopping center. Not even a shopping center. It's like a little strip building here, 4 or 5. There's not a lot of traffic here, but I do got Bird Road. So maybe there's some people in traffic out there on the street, which just reaches across the street. Maybe I grab some of those people there. Some people walking on Bird Road could be. So my box is doing about $200 a month. It's not bad. I think I've had it, 6-8 months. The box costs $500, so it's doubled itself, and it goes up and down. Sometimes I see these massive spikes in data. I don't know, maybe somebody comes to visit and is here in the parking lot or something. So I hadn't figured out, but now that's why I recorded this, so I can kind of see. Now it's more specific as how that's probably happening. I don't have any way of knowing, when somebody else is doing it. But here, for example, I'm going to use today as an example. So I'm going to play some YouTube video. So I should see a spike on my data today when my day closes out. And if I can follow up, I'll record that and add that to this. So that's what's going on here, right here, right. That's what's going on right here, right now at PC 911.